Good evening. I like to discuss about the series circuit. There's one example I have drawn here. Most circuits have a switch and a load, which is a light or some simple appliance, and it is connected to the source, which is what we're using here in the Philippines is 220 volts. I am trying to discuss this in here online because I'm trying to really be cured of my illness. Honestly, I am mentally ill, and I have been a lot of trouble financially, and I wanted to get out of it. I wanted to be cured because small things, even for food, it's a big problem for me. So, you viewers, I am asking for your help. Just, I think if you view these lessons I've been trying to share, and it will help me a lot. So, this is a normal circuit being used, from line 1 comes connected switch, then there's connection of the light and going back to line 2. So if you press the switch to on, it will light up. So in the next lesson, I will put some more samples of a circuit, of a series circuit, and its calculations. So hasta luego, see you later.